Alright guys, here with this Jeep Liberty. It's a '04 as you guys can see. And when you tell people what's going on with the car, and you get one of these knuckleheads that live out in one of these little corners over here, and all they do is do dope, and they tell them, hey, you know, this and this and that, and he takes his car to, you know, these dope heads. All right, so we're supposed to get the fan off. It's plugged in directly. All right, missing parts. That's the winner. That gives you an extra 100 horsepower right there. But we tell you the reason why I'm a technician and I'm not a mechanic. Mechanics are parts changers and parts changers alone. Technicians, we diagnose things. We're able to diagnose and figure things out like this. Water pump is going to take me 5 minutes to get out. 13 millimeter. And if I was a little bit more, I would have used a zip gun, but it's kind of hard, you know, when you're in a mobile state and your tools are scattered all over the place because the misses. But anyway, it's very simple. It's a 15 millimeter, pull up, the butt comes off, 13 all the way around, slide it out, pull it up. And the breather hole. This is a breather hole area and it's completely stripped out. That's not a good thing. So I won't be able to bleed this right here at this point. So I have to take that off, raise it up a little bit higher and use that as the bleeder point. But that's the bleeder, stripped out. 9 out of 10 times, a lot of people get this wrong because they forget to bleed and the car still overheats. Alright, let me get going. Most of you guys say I'm usually dictating, and that's all I do is dictate. Well, what does a teacher does? I mean, do I really have to show you how to do this part right here? Or do I tell you, water pump, bolts that connect the water pump you remove, meaning it's simple. I don't understand how everyone over here talk about I can't do it. But if you can put a puzzle together in public school, and mind you, kindergarten and in first grade, then you should be able to do this. It's not rocket science. I'm not building a goddamn rocket engine in here. I'm not going to space. It's just simple. Pull the part off, clean the surface area up, put the new gasket on, mate it together, tighten it down, torque it down, and you're good to go. And mind you, I'm not using a torque wrench. I'm going to use just regular hand tools to torque it down. But my experience is always 12 o'clock position to the 3 o'clock position. How much torque do you think I'm putting on that bolt? And sometimes I don't even need to go to the 3 o'clock position. I can go to the 12 and go to the 1 o'clock and it should be good enough. But that's the difference between me and other people that just don't let people take you for your money. There's a lot of people out there, man, they're just useless right now. They tell you they know everything, but I'm out here telling them they don't know shit. And then when you test them, they don't know shit. This is the problem I have out here in Sacramento, is finding a good technician. Because the technicians that are hopping around from shop to shop, well, guess what? There's a reason why they're hopping around from shop to shop, because they fucked up somewhere. And they keep on fucking up because they don't want to learn from us old ones that we lay down the fucking dirt, we lay down the bricks, we lay down the concrete, we lay down the asphalt. Everything you see here, we old ones lay down. You new ones Talk about, oh, we know all of this. We know all of this. What do you know? You telling me, you paying me 2 hours worth of work, because that's what the book calls, at $150 an hour. That's $300 for me to change a water pump out, and you still got to pay for the part. And I'm going to do it in 15 minutes. It's taking me longer because I'm doing the video, but this shit would have been out like that. I get paid for my skills. I don't get paid for parts changing. My skills in diagnosing and finding problems out like this. Simple noise that I'm hearing will let me know what's going on with the engine. The engine noise has a certain knock. We old ones can hear this shit. We don't need a stethoscope and listening to the engine and what's going on. I'm no Scotty Kilmore. I'm not trying to be like Scotty or anyone else. I'm just trying to teach. I'm a dying dinosaur, and you guys are going to inherit most of these junks. And this is a POS. But it's simple to fix. Just like that baby right there. That's my POS right there. And it's simple to fix. It's you guys who are making things difficult because you guys don't want to learn anything. But you know it all. And the only thing you know how to do is just eat shit and talk shit. And I'm sorry if I'm getting mad, because I'm tired of people coming and, you dope fiends out there, you don't own tools, you don't are walking around with your tools, then how you are a mechanic? How you are taking